Now that was the guy that we visited with the Vespas and scooters. And of course, that's a picture of a Buick, right?
No, that's Cadillac.
I thought it was a Cadillac, but
59 Cad, yeah.
it was a Buick prototype to look like a Cadillac. I'm gonna stick with that story. Okay, we already visited his place there. And are all these cars we're gonna start to see, are these all commission cars?
No, some of these are for just storage.
Storage, so you also have storage for people.
Yeah. So,
Now this car here, it's a storage car.
yeah, that's actually mine.
That's your car?
57, yeah.
57 Cadillac.
Yeah.
So are you a Cadillac guy?
Oh yeah, I mean that's the wife's car.
This is the wife's car.
2004 XLR.
Okay.
That's the 85th car built.
Okay. This is also someone's car?
No, that one's for sale.
This one's for sale. Okay. So this car for sale, for example, what is this?
This is a Jaguar.
Okay, a Jag.
1992 Jag XJ.
Okay, so there's a Jag there, and then the first car that we're looking at over here that's for sale.
That's a 62 Buick.
Got a 62 Buick for sale, and then under the tarp,
That's storage stuff.
storage stuff. So is this stuff all back in here storage?
Most of that, yeah. That's,
Most of the stuff, but we're gonna walk back here and just give you a peek.
and 65 the Mustangs for sale.
Got the Mustang, so we got a 65 Mustang for sale. They can call you about that. Boy, everybody's got one of these Mercedes, it seems like. Is that for sale?
That one's for storage.
Storage. And what do we have here? This is a beautiful car.
It's a little Plymouth, 48.
48, is that in storage?
That's storage, yeah.
Okay. And then we come over here, we got a
That's our truck that we take stuff to the dump.
Chevy here. Is this for sale?
Yeah, this one's for sale. It's all totally redone.
Okay, now what
58
year's
Pontiac.
what year's the Chevy?
This is 71.
Okay, and then the Pontiac's for sale?
58, yeah.
58 Pontiac for sale here. Are any of these for sale?
This, the older Cadillac, that one's for sale.
This one, and what year is that?
This is a 92.
92, and then what are we looking at here?
That's 76.
76, is that for sale?
Yeah.
Cadillac, okay. Got another Mercedes here, I think.
Yeah.
We'll show you the front of this.
It's a Pontiac Star Chief.
And a nice Star Chief here. Oh, what a beautiful, you got the Continental kit.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. Okay, so this is the main level, and we're going to wrap it up here. We're going to go to the next level.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to get the tour, and I'm going to walk down here because this showroom, God, this is absolutely fantastic. And you can see, you're walking in here with me for the very first time. So you can see a circular staircase descending. This is 3 levels. I'm just going to roll the video. Here we have an amphibia car, or an amphibi car. We have a coach. Look at that ceiling in the dealership. This looks like a Volkswagen, but I know it's not. What are we looking at?
Morris Minor.
There's a Morris Minor, and then next to that we have
41 Chevy Coupe.
41 Chevy Coupe.
Yeah, 48 Ford. Top, totally restored or custom pickup.
Now these are all consignment vehicles, right? Okay, everything, folks, you see here, unless he mentions, is for sale. And what's the number, the best way for them to get a hold of you here in downtown Tacoma?
It's 253
253
627
627
1052.
1052. Now, we got the disco ball going up in the ceiling. We got the remnants of the fluorescent bulb, and you can tell all that cracked ice, all those lenses, this thing was lit. And then you can't really tell, but there was neon, which is absolutely fantastic. That goes all, I've never been in a place like this. And this was built in the 40s?
1948.
48, so after the war. And these were the salesman offices up here, probably.
Yep.
So they dragged you up here to beat the hell out of you to get a deal.
Yeah.
So that was above. Okay.
And this was the actual sales office here where you would talk to people and things.
There's a sales office, and then they'd send you upstairs probably to the finance department
Yeah, the closer.
for the closer.
Okay.
Now this is the motorcycle department, I guess, and the scooter department?
We don't tolerate motorcycles here.
You don't tolerate motorcycles, so this is scooters. Wow. And what are we working on here?
That 48 Allstate.
This is a 48 Allstate here that I'm videoing right now. Is this fairly rare?
Yes and no. They were sold through the Prairie Home Companion. I was here. It would be a 48 Vespa, 52 Allstate.
Oh, okay, 40, okay.
So in the factory, they set aside a bunch of the 48 equipment to sell to the U.S. through the Prairie Home Companion.
Oh, okay. This is before the TV show, right? Because that's what I'm thinking now.
Oh, sorry, the Sears catalog.
Oh, the Sears catalog. Oh, okay.
They called it the Prairie Home Companion.
Oh, that was the Sears catalog. So this was sold through the Sears catalog.
Yeah.
But it's basically a Vespa dyed scooter, right? That was the dye for it.
Vespa. They took the headlight off the front fender and put it on the handlebars.
Wow. So now, do you do repair for people? Is that the shop that you have in here,
I was doing maintenance and repairs for people,
Right.
But it's hard to run a business, a one-man business.
Right. So you're a one-man
Turned
business.
into a hobby.
Okay. Are any
I
of these
backed off from the money-making side of it. 'Cause
are any of
there's-
these for sale, or are these all customers?
Yeah, right now I've got everything pushed in because we had to get the car out.
Right. We had to get the car out and just loaded, but
But usually I'm a much cleaner shop.
don't worry about that at all. This is what people love to see, honestly. So, if anyone's interested in any of these, would they possibly be
Right,
for
so
sale?
I've got 4 in the window right now, or 3 in the window right now.
3 in the
They're
window.
all for sale.
And those are all for, and where's the window at?
Right out here.
So when I go into the showroom,
Yeah.
that's the showroom, the circular
Yeah.
showroom? Okay, now your name is
I'm Jason.
Jason. Okay, Jason, I'm Jim. We met outside.
Cheers.
But how can folks get a hold of you? Do you prefer phone?
Either Facebook,
Okay, what are you on Facebook?
Andiamo Let's Go,
Okay, that's a mouthful. So how do we spell that?
ANDIAMOFREDERICK @gmail.com.
Okay.
Is the email address, and then Andiamo Let's Go, ANDIAMO, I think exclamation point, and then Let's Go as it sounds. Is that
Okay.
an apostrophe on the S?
I don't know. Do you have a number you'd like to share? Or you'd rather not?
Yeah, 816
816
679
679
2366.
2366.
But it's primarily weekends.
We're primarily, so this is kind of a hobby for you at this point.
Yeah, I have a full-time job in aerospace, so
Oh, okay, in aerospace.
yeah, machining.
Aerospace machining. Wow, this is a labor of love. So this must be your day off.
Yep, I work 410s, so Friday,
410.
Saturday, Sunday.
Wow. Okay, folks, well, we're going to take a look at a few of us in the window here.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, I'll follow you.
This one is tentatively for sale. It's
What are we looking at here?
Honda 450. I think it's a 68.
68 Honda 450. And I'm not going to mention prices. If you want prices, you can call them.
Yep.
That's what the phone's for, or that's what the email's for.
All right.
Okay.
I'm trying to think if there's anything else in here that's.
Well, we can look at the ones in the
Yeah.
window, you know, and then
Right.
I'm not in a hurry, but then that way if they see something, they can ask you about it in the video.
Right.
So we're going to follow him in. It's the first time I've been into the showroom here, and he's going to show me what he's got for sale. Now, do you know when this place was built, this dealership?
I think it was started in the 40s.
Really?
It was a distributorship for Buick.
Right.
So, you know, stuff would come in from Detroit on rail or boat, and then it would be put together and sent out to the various dealers.
Okay, so we're going to come around here because I noticed your... Okay, and you can tell us what we're looking at here from left to right.
That first one's a 946, hand-built in Italy on a pedestal.
Okay, so this is a 946. Now, who makes that? Because I'm ignorant.
That's Vespa Piaggio.
Okay, Vespa Piaggio. And what's the year on this one?
2014.
Okay, and this one's for sale.
Yeah, ABS, traction control, and Bluetooth connective.
Okay, now, as we look at these, have you gone through all of these, or are these...
So these two are new. So the 946 is new, and then I got a
okay.
Kimco 150.
So these first two that you're looking at are new. This is the Kimco.
Right.
Okay, and the features of that would be?
Typical. The only thing that's really nice about it is got disc brake front and rear.
Okay, now where's this made at?
Those are made in Taiwan,
Okay.
China.
Okay. And then these look like older.
Right. So then there's a SS 180.
Okay, and that's a Vespa?
Yeah, 1967.
67 Vespa. And that, is that one that you've gone through?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fully rebuilt. Gold. They never came in gold, but I decided I was going for bronze. My painter didn't listen to me, and he painted it gold.
I like it. I think it's cool.
It does show well.
Yeah.
And then Vespa 90 that's been converted to a 125.
Okay.
Electronic, got rid of the points. Electronic ignition.
I'm gonna get a side here.
Pretty standard. Eliminated the battery.
Okay.
And it's a 74.
74. Okay. Now this is your little mascot out here.
Yeah, that's my ride for the day.
That's your ride for the day. You have several of these.
Yeah, it's an addiction. Once you get one.
So you're actually going to venture out in this after closing shop and go home on that?
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
74 Lambretta Cervetta Jet 200. It was a Spanish Lambretta. So they had a second factory in Spain, which these came out of.
Now, is that a factory spare mount that we're looking at?
No, it's aftermarket.
I like that.
Usually they'd be on the behind the seat horizontally.
Okay. I'm going to give them your name and number again.
All right.
Let's repeat your name again.
I'm Jason at
Jason.
Andiamo Let's Go, and my number is 816
816 679
2366.
2366.
It's a Kansas City number, but
hey,
here in Tacoma, Washington.
We're in Tacoma, Washington. Everybody's got a number from somebody else.
All right.
Okay, this will wrap up this first video. I had no idea we'd start off this way, but we're going to continue.